Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will walk through how to set up an email campaign in Gohighlevel. Setting up an email campaign helps us automate follow-ups, nurture leads, and connect with our audience by sending the right message at the right time. Let's get started. On the Gohighlevel dashboard, we click Marketing on the left side of the dashboard. Click there. This is where we find our email campaign. Once we are on this page, we just need to click Email at the top part of the page. Wait for it to load. Once it's loaded, we just have to click Campaign. This is the email campaign section. We need to click here so we can create a new email campaign. We can choose an email marketing template, or if we have our own templates, we can use those. If we want to start from scratch, we choose Blank first. Now we choose the plain text editor if we want a simple email. If we want to add some designs, we select the design editor. Let's choose the design editor so we can see more options and customize our email the way we want. As we see here, we can type our message. We can enter any content we like. When we finish typing, we can add elements such as images, buttons, logos, dividers, social media icons, footers, code blocks, or videos. We just need to drag the element we want to use. Then we can upload an image. Once we're done, we can save or send it. Let's go back to our choices. Now let's go back and save a new one. In the email marketing templates, we can choose which campaign emails we want for. We can search for welcome emails or any other type. For example, we can select welcome emails or affiliate program welcome emails. It depends on what we need. Once we choose, just click the template and wait for it to load. Once it's loaded, here's our template. We just need to configure everything here. Change the names, the link, the commission text, and the client portals as needed. Once we are finished, we just need to click Save or Send. This is how we set up an email campaign in Gohighlevel. Once the campaign is live, we monitor its performance and optimize the emails for better results.